India lives in its million dreams and their fulfillment. Dreams of its countrymen and women of a better future, a better tomorrow, and ways and means to achieve them. In a predominantly agriculture-based economy, the key lies in a continuous and sustainable development of the agriculture sector and advancement and prosperity of the farmers.
Our vision is to see that agriculture and all the rural areas in the country prosper. We have a vision and mission statement. Coming to Telangana, we are partnering with Government of Telangana and with regard to FPOs, with regard to Tribal Development Fund, with regard to our loan products like Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, NIDA. In every sphere of rural development and agriculture, NABARD is partnering with government, and our vision is to make our Honorable Chief Minister's vision is to make Bangar Telangana. We are happy to be part of that mission in Telangana.
NABARD, since its inception in the year 1982, through its holistic and sustainable policies and their implementation by a countrywide team and partners, have helped rural enterprises, agricultural initiatives, and most importantly, the Indian farmer, transforming their dreams into realities of sustainable growth and development. The state of Telangana, with its total of 59.72 lakh hectares of agricultural land and 59.48 lakh farm holdings, 85% of them small and marginal farmers, is a predominantly agrarian economy and society, making it a hub of NABARD activities in the country. A whopping 330 FPOs in Telangana have been promoted by NABARD in partnership with NGOs and evenly spread across all 33 districts of the state. The process started in the year 2011 with NABARD's Producer Organization Development Fund, and with a flexible and holistic approach has become a movement in the start, encompassing farmers, communities, youth and underprivileged men and women. The concept behind farmers' producer organizations is that farmers, who are the producers of agricultural products, can form groups and register themselves in the form of FPOs.
We have close to 330 FPOs in Telangana, which are culmination of our earlier watershed projects, TDF projects, climate proofing projects. The community has already been mobilized around farmers clubs and watershed projects. Now we have formed FPOs through our farmer producer organization companies, like what we call POPI, promoting institutions, and we are doing a lot of capacity building for these FPOs. And we are also working with convergence model, where initially our subsidiary, NABARD subsidiary NAB Kisan, has funded close to 20 FPOs in Telangana, and Tribal Welfare Corporation has also extended subsidy to these FPOs, including Indravalli FPO. They have also extended subsidy to close to these 20 FPOs, where most of the FPOs have constructed godowns, and some of them have established custom hiring centers.
The aim is to enhance farmers' competitiveness and increase their advantage in emerging market opportunities. The year 2014 was observed as the year of farmers' producer organizations, and slowly but surely the concept is catching on. The FPO's major operations include supply of seeds, fertilizers and machinery, market linkages, training and networking, and financial and technical advice. The FPOs of Telangana are the engines of growth for a predominantly agrarian economy and society.
We have also funded under our warehouse infrastructure fund creation of warehouses up to 18 lakh metric tons. Now we are implementing this primary agriculture cooperative societies to converting them MSC, what we call PAX to MSC program, wherein close to 2 lakh metric ton space will be created over the next 2 years in terms of NABARD's scheme and with our financial assistance.
And in last 10 years, they have given prosperity and hope to millions of farmers, strengthening them and holding hands in their march to success.
We can say that out of 330, 150 are doing very well. The remaining FPOs are in different stages of promotion, formation. We are also doing a lot of capacity building efforts. So all the FPOs, we would like to convert them into a vibrant, member-owned, member-controlled, member-owned organizations, so that a lot of wealth will be created to the farmers of Telangana, and they will be able to leverage these FPOs for taking bank loans and for the overall development of agriculture.